I'm Captain Roy Taylor in Sky Team 11. We're up here in the White Marsh area. Make it Red Line Road near Stevens Road in Baltimore County. There's been numerous areas that have flooded out. What we're looking at right now is a vehicle that is pretty much underwater. We understand it was called out as a rescue, but the driver was able to extricate themselves and get to shore, or get to land. County Police is pretty much blocked off north, southbound Red Line Road in the area of Stevens Road. We don't hear any injuries, but we understand there's other flooding that is going on up in Harford County. We will check that out and advise as we can. Reporting in Sky Team 11, I'm Captain Roy Taylor.